Well, folks, welcome back to the Gale Force Winds podcast. It's a 2024 Mineral Resources Review podcast sponsored by HR Project Partners and powered by Gale Force Winds. With me today is Tyson Osmond. Tyson, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Tyson Osmond, and I'm an operations manager / business development manager for Manifest Technical Services.
Manifest Technical Services?
Yes, that's correct.
Based where?
We're based out of Boston, Massachusetts, but we also based out of Moncton, New Brunswick. And we got some satellite offices. We got one in Cape Ray, Newfoundland, and we got some in Ontario and some in BC. So we're spread out all over Canada.
So what type of business is it, Tyson?
So we do non-destructive testing, and we do inspections. We do also weld repairs on. Our main specialty is working on gear and pinion teeth. So with the inspection we do eddy current array. So with our eddy current array inspections, that we could come in and do an inspection on the gear teeth without any cleaning at all had to be done. So we save lots of money by doing that. A lot of other inspection companies and inspections, then you got to end up cleaning all the gear teeth, which takes time and longer shutdown periods. But with the eddy current array, we can come in and no cleaning required.
So what is it called? An eddy current
array.
Eddy current array.
So basically what it is we is magnetism and ultrasonics testing in one. And what we do is we go over each gear teeth. Every tooth that you go over, just basically go and see if there's any flaws, any defects, any cracking, so that you won't have no major shutdowns and stop production, more or less. Like we'll catch any indications that before you have any major problem, right?
Interesting.
So basically what we could do is, instead of not cleaning it would take a lot of downtime, and it could take days and weeks to clean everything. But with this system we got, we'll just go in and we can inspect it just like it is. You just shut her down and let us come in, and boom, boom. No problem.
So you do the inspection, but there are times when you find fault, then it does have to shut down, I guess.
If there's flaws, yeah, then we'll talk to the client and then see what recommendations, whatever it is, for the fix the inspection.
Yeah.
But we also got another part of our company that we also provide welding services.
Is that right?
So we could actually do our own welding.
So you find the problem and then you can fix the problem.
Yes.
So you're covering off all the angles.
Basically, yeah. So we basically got a different department that just specializes in that part, right?
Yeah. So you're based in Newfoundland, correct?
Yes.
Personally?
So Cape Ray, Newfoundland is where I've been born and raised. I've been at this for 15 plus years, inspections. And they say all this different technology coming out now is more advanced technology, and it's better for us, better for the client, and saves everybody money in the long run.
So do you fly around, or are you doing where are you located?
So I'm located right in Cape Ray, Newfoundland myself. And I'll fly around and we'll run jobs just come from the Detour gold mine there last week up in Timmins. So we'll go around to gold mines, and we got clients in Mexico, we got clients in the US, we got clients all over Canada. So we're trying to hopefully promote more business in Newfoundland since we're based out of there now.
Yeah. Well, let me ask you about that. I mean, how long do you say you've been in this industry now yourself?
15 plus years.
So 15 years, and what's going on in Newfoundland must be really exciting for you.
Oh, that's what we're hoping, man.
Yeah.
Well, mining is our biggest thing we're sticking at right now. I worked before in different companies. I was in the oil and gas and offshore business, but mostly now we're just focused on mining.
It's funny, I've been in the advertising business for 35 years, and seeing the excitement in Newfoundland, it's really, really interesting to see companies from all over the world descending on Newfoundland. It's our time, wouldn't you say?
Oh, it's been too many years in Alberta. It's time to bring the boys back home.
Yeah. Well, you know what? On that note, Tyson is an example of someone who's living here in Newfoundland. He's got skills that are being used all over the world. And with so much activity going on in Newfoundland and Labrador, here at the Mineral Resources 2024 review, this is a person that is a go-to person in your industry. Tyson, thanks for jumping on the podcast.
Perfect. Appreciate your time.